Want to get started using YouTube's music streaming service? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the free version of the YouTube Music app. Now let's get started. You can download YouTube Music for free from the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android devices. We'll leave download links in the description box below. When you open the app, you'll have the option to continue with your YouTube account if you're already signed in to the YouTube app on the same device. Simply click Continue to sign in. The first page you'll see is the Home tab. Here you'll find top charts with popular and trending songs and music videos. There are charts by genre and by location. Below that, you should see the option to tell YouTube Music which artists you like most so they can give you better suggestions. Tap Let's Go. Now tap any artist you enjoy. Scroll down to see more options. When you're finished, tap Done. Once you've done that, your homepage will feature some of your favorite artists at the top. If you tap on an artist's name, you can see their YouTube Music page, follow them to see more of their music on your app, and listen to their songs, albums, and playlists. The rest of the homepage will feature other playlists YouTube Music thinks you'll like. If you scroll down, you'll see all-time essentials and playlists that have been mixed for you, as well as today's biggest hits and other recommended music. Tap one of these playlists to begin listening to it. If you're using the free version like I am, you may have an ad pop up before the music starts playing. When listening to a song on YouTube Music, you can use the controls along the bottom to pause, play, restart the song you're streaming, or skip to the next song. To help the app give you better recommendations, you can use the like and dislike icons to let them know how you feel about a song. To see what's coming up next on your playlist, tap the upwards arrow in the bottom right corner to open your queue. In this window, you can turn on shuffle or repeat mode and move around the songs in your queue so they play in whatever order you like. Simply hold and drag a song using the bars on the right side and let go when it's in the order you'd like. While playing a song, you can tap the three dots on the right side to get more options, like Add to Liked Songs, Share, Download, Add to Playlist, Play Next, Add to Queue, and more. To find out more about the song details, tap the I button on the left to see the artist and album information. In the Hotlist tab, you'll find new, cool, and trending music videos. Scroll down to check them out. Tap one if you'd like to watch it. In the Library tab, you'll find playlists and albums you've listened to most recently, along with your own playlists and albums, songs, and artists you've liked on YouTube Music. The Upgrade tab is simply there to entice you to upgrade to Premium. If you ever want to upgrade, you can easily do so here. If not, you can continue enjoying the free version. The only downside is you'll have to sit through the occasional ad, and you don't get access to premium-only features like being able to listen with your screen turned off. That does it for our guide to using YouTube Music. Happy streaming! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.